In the previous class, you already learned 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa. And to convert rupees into paisa and paisa into rupees. So just we are recalling these things. So 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa and the sign of rupee is this. Now convert rupees to paisa. That means this rupees to paisa. To convert rupees to paisa, we will multiply rupees by 100 because 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa, or simply we add 2 zeros after this rupees. The amount, what is the amount of the rupees? We will get paisa. Take example rupees 5. So you have to convert it into paisa. So what we do? Rupees 5 multiplied by 100. So that is 500. And simply what I said, just write the rupees and add 2 zeros at the last. So the same thing. Now opposite of it, convert paisa to rupees. Now to paisa to rupees, we have to divide paisa. Whatever the amount is there, you have to divide it by 100 or put the decimal 2 digits from the right. I am taking the example. I am taking 1564 paisa. So what we have to do? I have to divide this 1564 by 100, or simply what I do? I am writing it again 1564 and put the decimal here. And rupees sign, that means 15 rupees and 60 paisa. So this I converted, this paisa I converted into rupees. So this is your recall. So now we will learn addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of this rupees and paisa. So dear students, starting with the addition of money. See, here two questions are there. Rupees 56.75 and rupees 175.75. This 0.75 means paisa. Rupees 56 and 75 paisa plus rupees 175 and 75 paisa. How to write it? You already know the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. But here it is a decimal. So we have to write the decimal number below the decimal. So first I am writing this rupees 56.75. So this number I have to write below 56, but the decimal should come below the decimal. So this is 3-digit number and this is 2 digits. So I have to manage the place. 175. So this 1 comes to the 100th place. So here it is empty, that is 0. Because here it is 56, only 2-digit number. And here this is 3-digit. And this is 75. So after decimal it is 75. Now add it. This is the rupees. Now add this. 5 and 5 is 10. 1 carry. 14 and 1 15. That is 5. Then again 1 carry. 1 plus 6 plus 5 is 12. 1 carry. Then 5 and 1 6. 6 and 7 13. Then again 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is rupees 232.50. Okay, after decimal we can't say 50. We have to read 50. Here 0.75. Okay. Now this second question. This is 3-digit 111. So rupees 111.95. Second one is rupees 15. This is 2-digit. So satisfy the place. This is 15. So here it is 0. 100 places 0. Then decimal 7, 5. Decimal should come below the decimal. It's very important thing. Now third one is 226. So 226. See the place. 1's place, 10's place and 100 place. The decimal 40. So now add these rupees. 550 is 10, 0. Carry 1, 9 and 1 10, 7 17 and 4 21. So 1 carry 2. Then 2 and 1 3, 3 and 5 8 and 8 and 6 14. Again 1 carry 1, 2, 3 and 5. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is addition. Now we will do subtraction questions. Now the questions of subtraction. Here question 1 is rupees 100 minus rupees 79.95. So write it. Rupees 100 minus rupees 79. See children, 100 is 3 digit and 79 is 2 digit. So this 100 place is empty here. Now 0.95. But we have to subtract. So what to do? Write decimal 00. Means 100.00 is equals to 100 only. So we have just written here decimal 00. Now subtract it. 0 minus 5 we can't do, we have to borrow. All zeros are here, so we will borrow from this 100. I borrowed 1 from this 100, so this 100 becomes 99. Now this is 10, so again I borrow from here. So now this will become 9 and this 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 7 is 2. And this is 1, nothing is there, na? Already 0. So this is rupees 20.05. Now second question, rupees 510.25 minus rupees 150.50. Again subtract it. 5 minus 0 is 5. Now 2 minus 5, again borrow from here. Here 0, so borrow from here. This is 1. So now this 1 changed to 0 and this is now 10. Okay, again borrow from here. So this is 9 and this will become 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Now 9 minus 0 is 9. Again 0 minus 5, so borrow from here. Now 10. 10 minus 5 is 5 and I borrowed 1 from here, that means this was 4. Now 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is rupees 359.75. Now multiplication of rupees and paisa. Here children, rupees 42.25 multiplied by 7. So write in this column form rupees 42.25 multiplied by 7. Okay, write 7 below this ones place digit. This last digit. Okay. So 7 5s are 35. This multiplication is simple as you learned earlier. So 35. So 5, 3 will be carried. 7 to the 14 and 3 17. Then 1 carry. 7 to the 14 and 1 is 15. Again 1 carry. 7 4s are 28 and 1 is 29. Okay children, but here the decimal is there. So how many digits after decimal? 2 digits. It's 2 digits. So in answer also we want only 2 digits after decimal. That means we will count from the right side 2 digits, 1 and 2. The decimal will come here. It's a very important thing to find out where we have to put decimal. If in question if it is 2 digits after decimals, in answer also we want 2 digits after decimal. Now second question is rupees 78.50 multiplied by 12. So we can read the table of 12 directly or we can use table of 2 and then 1 also. So directly I am taking table of 2. 12 zeros are 0. 12 5s are 60. 0. Carry 6. Then 12 8s are 96. 96 plus 6. 102. So this 2 I am writing and this 10 will be the carry. Now 12 7s are 84. 84 and 10 is 94. Now where to put a decimal? 1 and 2 digits from the right. Okay. So here also 2 digits. So this is rupees 942. Now the last topic is division of rupees and paisa. The question 1 here, rupees 193.50 divided by 6. So we will do the division as usual. 193.50. This decimal I am not writing here. I have just written just all the numbers. Okay, we will put decimal afterwards in the answer. Divided by 6. Now we will do the simple division. First digit is less than 6. So take 2 digits. 6 3s are 18. Subtract it 1. The next number is 3. Then this is 13. So 6 2s are 12. Again subtract it. This is 1. Write the next number beside this. Now 15. Again 6 2s are 12. Subtract it. Now what is there? 3. Now this is 0. 30. That is 6 5s are 30. The same method we will follow to put the decimal in this division answers. After decimal, after this decimal 2 digits are there. So in answer also we want only 2 digits. So 1 2. So 1 and 2. Here the decimal will come. That means rupees 32.25. Now second question is rupees 152 and 10. Okay, divided by 9. So divide it by using table of 9. So this 15, we have to take this 15. So 9 1 9. Write 9 below 5 because I have taken this 2 digits. Subtract it. 9. 15 minus 9 is 6. Now next is 2. Now this is 62 divided by 9. So how many times? 9 6 are 54. Or 9 7s are 63. So 63 is greater. So 54. Subtract it. Now 12 minus 4 is 8. And this one 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now 8. What is the next digit? 1. So I am writing here 1. 81. So how many times? 9 9s are 81. Subtract it. And what about this 0? So if I am writing this 0 here, so in answer also I want 0. So again 2 digits. This 0 and 1. So what will be the answer? It is rupees 16.90. The decimal will come between this 6 and 9. This 2 digits, before 2 digits. So hope children you all learn the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of this rupees and paisa.